Hi, this is the flipped classroom video for Level 1, Quiz 2 of Music Theory. There's a few concepts that if you understand, you'll be able to ace this quiz. One is that these 5 lines are called the staff, and the staff is where we write notes. Music is organized by clefs to help us perform and play music easier. There is the treble clef, which high instruments like the trumpet and the flute play on, and high voices like soprano and alto sing. And there's the bass clef, which the cello and the trombone and the tuba and the basses and tenors use, and they read the notes on the bass clef. The treble clef is also called the G clef because it spirals around this G line. Any note on this second line is going to be G. The bass clef is called the F clef sometimes because its 2 dots surround the F line in the bass clef. So please practice drawing the treble clef and the bass clef, and hopefully they start to look better as you get farther off to the right here. If not, it's okay. Lastly, on this page, this is called the grand staff. When you have a treble clef, its staff, the bass clef, its staff, and combine them with this bracket. That is called the grand staff. Let's go to the next page. Reading music will make your life in choir and in this world much more enjoyable, just as reading English and being able to write and speak English does. Reading music is going to be very simple for you as you memorize 2 sayings. And if we go to this next page, we memorize every good boy does fine. Those are the order of the notes. These are what the notes are called on the lines of the treble clef. E, then the next line is G, the next line up is B, D, and F. Every good boy does fine. What about the notes in the spaces? All you need to memorize is the word face. F for the first space, A, C, and E. If you memorize these 2 sayings, you will get an A+ on this quiz. You'll be able to identify any note within the treble clef staff. Let's go to the last page, which is more practice with the treble clef, and we learn about the stem rule. Stems go up on the right side of the note, usually. However, if they pass or are on the 3rd line from the bottom, 1, 2, 3, the stems of notes go down. That's simple. They go up if they are low on the staff. Once they get above or on the 3rd line, the stems go down. A note has 2 parts, the note head and the stem. That is the stem rule. Now, for finishing this worksheet, it asks you to draw an F on a line. So this F that's in the first space would not be correct. It wants you to use the F on the very top in the line here. Here, E, it wants you to put it on a line, and the first line is E. F, the first space, is where F is, and E, again, for the line, is the first line. E on a space is not the first line, it would be the last space. And I know this all because I've memorized F, A, C, E. So E is on the last space. And for lines, it's every, so the first line is E. Good boy does fine. All right, now let's clap and count this rhythm together. I'm going to give you 4 counts and then we'll do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do rhythmic dictation in class, and now you're all ready for quiz 2. I'll be giving you these worksheets as bell ringers in class to prepare you. This is your study guide for the quiz. Thank you so much for your hard work, not only in my class, but in all that you do. I know you have a lot on your plate. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Take care.